related to shapes, and today we are going to learn about three-dimensional shapes. Solids. Three-dimensional shapes basically have their height, they have the length, they have the width, and when these solid shapes, when such objects are kept on a space right here, so this object is occupying some space, right? So these three-dimensional shapes or solid shapes, when they are kept somewhere, so they are occupying space. So such shapes are known as solid shapes. So let's get started. One by one, I am going to tell you about the 3D shapes that we are going to cover in today's video. So look at this first object. This seems to be quite familiar. Of this shape, we have, we play Ludo with dice, right? We can see some boxes, like this is also one of the box. So this shape is known as cube. Cube has 6 square faces. Cube has all the faces in the shape of square. It has plane surfaces. Plane means which is, see, it is plane. And we know what is curved, right? But we have in cube, we have 6 plane surfaces. And which are of square, which are of equal sides. This surfaces is known as faces. Face of cube, it has 6 faces. And when two faces meet, it is known as edge. What is this known as? Edge. You must have heard sometimes whenever you are standing on one side of the balcony, your parents usually, say that please don't stand on the edge of the balcony, right? So this is an edge. And how many edges are there in a cube? 4 edges on the top, 4 edges vertically, 8, and 4 edges on the other side. So 12 edges. A cube has 12 edges. It has 6 faces which are plane surfaces. Now the two edges, like this edge and this edge, the two edges are meeting at this one point. So this is known as vertex. This is known as vertex. Where two edges meet, it is known as vertex. Vertex, when we are talking about this particular point, it is vertex. When I am talking about all these vertex, so it is vertices. The plural form of vertex is vertices. So how many vertices in a cube it has? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, and below also 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has 8 vertices. Let's revise one more time. It's a cube. A cube has all the plane surfaces which are of square shape. All its sides are equal. If you look at from any side, it is equal of square surface. These plane surfaces are known as faces. It has how many faces? 6 faces. Where two faces meet, it is called the edge. And where two edges meet, it is called a vertex. Similarly, it's a cube and it's a cuboid. The only difference between a cuboid and a cube is, see, look here, the shape. It is square and it has rectangular faces. It is the only difference between a cube and cuboid. Rest all is same. What is same? The faces, number of faces, it also has 6 faces. A cuboid also has 8 vertices like a cube, and also 12 edges like a cube. Both the vertices, edges and faces, they both have same number. But the only difference is Cube, if you see from any side, it is of square shape, and this is of rectangular. So this is the only difference between a cube and a cuboid. Let's move on to our another 3D shape. Oh wow, it looks familiar to you. It looks like, doesn't it look like a birthday cap? Yes. So this is a cone. What is this 3D shape? A cone. I tried making it, but yeah, it got sinking. It's okay. So this is a cone. A cone has one curved surface and one plane surface. One curved surface, one plane surface. So two faces. This is one vertex. A cone has one vertex only and one curved edge. See, you can see it is curved. It is curved, right? So it has one curved edge, one curved face, one plane face, and one vertex. Next 3D shape is cylinder. See, cylinder. A cylinder, it has one curved face. This is one curved surface. Can you see this? It is one curved, and here at the bottom it is plain, and on the top also it is plain. So a cylinder, it has one curved surface and two plain surface. How many faces? Three faces. And can you find any vertex over here? No. So a cylinder doesn't have any vertex. But yes, there are two curved edges. This is one edge and this is one edge. Alright. So a cylinder has two edges and one curved surface, two plane surfaces. So let's go in detail about three-dimensional shapes. Let's revise the vertex, face and edges, and also let's see what objects are there around us in these shapes. So let's talk about cube. So cube has 8 vertices. It has 6 plane surface, and we call the surfaces as faces, right? We have 12 edges in cube. And see, cube and cuboid, or both the shapes have same number of vertices, faces and edges, right? But the only difference is the face, it is in the shape of square, and here in cuboid the face, it is in the shape of rectangle. Okay, so let's see ice cube in the shape of cube. We have ice cubes, box and blocks, with children that play with blocks, right? And cuboid, the examples are like book, eraser, tissue box. Coming to our next shape is cylinder. As I shown to you one of the example in the video, this bottle, it is in cylindrical shape, right? So let's see the mark. We have marker, we have aerated drinks can, and we have glass also, right? So here we don't have any vertex in cylinder, but we do have two plane surfaces at the top and at the bottom, and one curved surface. And we have two edges, two curved edges, right? Cone, we have one vertex on the top. Then we have one plane surface, one curved surface. So how many faces? Two faces, right? And one curved edge. So examples in real life are our ice cream cone. I love ice creams. So ice cream cone. We wear birthday caps. And this is one traffic cone. We do find traffic cones on one side of the road at times, yes. So these are the examples of cone. Next we have sphere. Sphere, we have one curved surface only. Okay, so this is a sphere. Ball, a sphere, it does not have any edge, it doesn't have any vertex. It just has one curved surface, right? So a sphere has only one curved surface. For example, ball, we see balloon, we have globe also. So all these objects we can see around us which are in these shapes. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you have learned a lot. So peek around yourself and see what all objects are of these shapes. Bye as of now. Bye.